I'm Carla. So happy to see you today. Today we're going to do a practice focusing on the summer solstice. So we have been enjoying the past few months as the days begin to get longer. And then this week, the summer solstice will be upon us. The sun will seem to pause in the sky, and it will be the longest day of the year and the shortest night. And then at that point, the sun begins bowing down to the moon. So think forward folds, lunges, things like that to help welcome in the summer solstice. And slowly the days will begin getting shorter until we get into the fall equinox. So let's get started. We're going to start with our hands together, just standing up nice and tall. Hands in Jnana Mudra at our chest. Go ahead and get a nice solid stance. If you're able to close down your eyes and keep your balance, that's awesome. If not, don't worry about it. Do what's in your practice. Maybe you just lower your gaze. Tuck your tailbone a little bit down towards your heels. Take a nice big breath in. Exhale. Allow your shoulders to slide down your back and relax. Welcome yourself into this practice for the summer solstice. A fiery time of the year when everything just seems to be in bloom. Summer is focused on the third chakra, which is your solar plexus chakra, fire and energy. Take just a couple more breaths here. As you focus yourself, maybe you set an intention. Breathe in, breathe out. Take a nice deep breath in. Drop your arms down to your sides. On your next inhale in, take your arms all the way up. Reach up to the sky. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Nice deep generous bend in your knees. Bring your belly down to your chest. If you want, you can take your hands to the back of your calves and pull yourself down. Put a deep enough bend in your knees that your belly can reach your thighs. And then inhale, halfway lift. Take your hands either to your shins, or if you can have your fingertips on the floor, that's great. But I want a nice flat back. Press into those shins. Pull your shoulder blades together. Crown of your head's facing forward. Excellent. Bend your knees one more time, bringing your belly down towards your thighs, and then push through your feet. Slowly come up. Remember, we've been upside down, so take your time. Let your blood pressure catch up. As you come up and your chin comes up, your arms go all the way up. One more time. We're going to reach up to the sky and then exhale, swan dive it forward, bending our knees, bringing our thighs down, or our belly down to our thighs. Take a breath here. On your exhale, pull your navel in and up towards your spine. Lift your pelvis. Inhale, halfway lift, nice flat back. Press into your shins, or if you can have your fingertips on the floor, that's great too. Take a breath here. Exhale, bend your knees, push through your feet, slowly, slowly, slowly. Bring yourself all the way up. Exhale, bring your palms together, heart center. Your feet are still together, barely a fist width apart. Inhale. Arms come straight up like goddess pose, only your legs are straight. And then exhale, bring your hands back down to Jnana Mudra. Inhale it in. Arms come out to a V over your head. Exhale, bring your hands back to Jnana Mudra. Last one. Inhale it in. Take your arms out to a V. On your exhale, I'd like for you to swan dive it forward. Bend your knees, bring your belly down to your thighs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Step your right leg back. Bring your left leg forward and walk it out just a little bit towards the left of your mat. And then drop your back leg down, untuck your toe, and when you're ready, come up to a lunge. Nice solid stance. Really get a good grip on the floor with your front foot. Breathe. Take a nice big breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your shoulders down into your shoulder sockets. Relax your arms as you stretch your fingers up towards the ceiling. And then exhale. Drop your hands down to the floor. If you need to use your blocks, please feel free to use your blocks to lean on. Bring your leg forward. Allow your knee to come forward in front of your ankle. Remember, we have our hips below our knees, so unless you have particular knee issues, you should be okay with this. Take a breath here. And then when you're ready, just slide your blocks out of the way a little bit as you come back up, all the way up. Reach your arms up in the air, straighten that knee, bring it back over your ankle. And on your exhale, go ahead and drop your hands down to the floor, untuck your back toe, lift your back leg, and when you're ready, bring your back leg forward into a forward fold. Let your arms dangle for a moment. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. This time I want you to take your left leg back. Walk that right foot out a little bit towards the right hand side of your mat. And then drop your back knee down, untuck your toe. Slowly come up. Low lunge on the other side. Nice, solid stance. Keep your knee over your ankle for right now. Breathe. Exhale, drop your hands down to the floor or to your blocks if you like. Bring your knee forward. Allow yourself to get a really nice stretch in the quadricep on your other side. Inhale, bringing that knee back over your ankle. Bring yourself all the way up. Reach up to the sky. Exhale, drop your hands down to the floor. Untuck that back toe, lift your back leg, and when you're ready, bring your back leg forward, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bend through your knees, or through your feet. Bend your knees, push through your feet. Slowly bring yourself up, all the way up. Raise your arms up, up, up. Come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, bring your arms down as you drop your feet. Inhale, bring your arms all the way up, come up on your tippy toes. Exhale it down. Bring your feet, heels back down to the floor. Inhale, come all the way up, arms up on your tippy toes. And as you exhale, bring your hips, your heels down, bend at your hips, reach your arms forward. Inhale, arms come back up, come up on your tippy toes one more time. Exhale, drop your heels down, straight legs, lean forward, push your hips back. Inhale, last one, come all the way up. Come up on your tippy toes. Exhale, drop your heels down, straight legs, bend at the waist, reach forward. Look down at the floor, crown of your head facing down. Drop your hands down to your side as you slowly inhale. Bring your arms all the way up. Exhale, bend your knees, swan dive it forward. Bring your belly down to your thighs. On your inhale, come up to chair pose. Hold. Take a breath here, engage your abs. Exhale, drop yourself back down, forward fold. Inhale, up to chair pose. Hold. Exhale, forward fold. Bend your belly back down to your thighs. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Bend through your knees, push through your feet. Slowly bring yourself all the way up. Bring your arms all the way up. On your exhale, step your right foot out. Come into a squat. Cactus your arms. Take a breath here. Inhale, straighten your legs. Take your arms up. Exhale, cactus your arms. Bend your knees, goddess pose. Toes are pointing out. Inhale, take your arms up. On your exhale, bend your knees. Take your hands out to a T. Put your fingers in Jnana Mudra, which means knowledge. Bend at the waist. Crown of your head facing down. Come up on your tippy toes and hold. Breathe, 2 breaths here. Exhale, drop your feet down. Drop your right hand to the floor, straighten both knees. Take your left hand all the way up to the ceiling, twist. And take an inhale, drop your arm down. On the exhale, bend your knee. Slowly bring yourself up. Cactus your arms, goddess pose. One more time. Breathing in and exhaling it out. Inhale it in. Straighten your legs. Bring your arms up overhead. Exhale, cactus your arms, bend your knees. Inhale up, arms come up, knees straighten. Exhale, bend your knees, arms out to a T. Jnana Mudra, one more time. Index finger and thumb touch. Bend at the waist with your arms still out to a T, and lift your heels off the ground. Breathe. Exhale, drop your heels down, straighten your legs as you drop your left hand down. Take your right hand overhead, release your mudra. Breathe, take a breath here, twist. Exhale, drop that right hand down. Bend your knees and slowly bring yourself all the way up. Raise your arms all the way up. Straighten your legs. Exhale, drop your arms. Heel toe your feet back together, or however you'd like to get there. Take a nice big breath in. Take your arms all the way up. Swan dive it forward into a halfway lift. Inhale, take your arms overhead. Interlace your fingers out in front of your head. Push your hips back. Bend your knees. Push your hips all the way back. Inhale, come all the way up, keeping your fingers interlocked. Palms up towards the ceiling, and exhale, slowly release. Nice big breath in, exhale it out. Excellent job, you guys. Thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed this summer solstice video. Let's slowly make our way down to the floor, taking a big inhale in, taking your arms all the way up. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Come down to the floor. And for Shavasana, I'd like for you to just sit in Sukhasana, easy seat. Take your hands to heart center and Anjali Mudra. Bow your head. Take a couple of breaths here. Center yourself. And let's end our practice with a little bit of alternate nostril breathing, balancing the sun and the moon on either side of our nostrils. So first we're going to pick up our right hand and close off our right nostril as we breathe in through the left, closing off the left and exhaling out the right. Inhale through the right, close the right, and exhale out through the left. One more time on this moon side. Inhale, cool air through your left nostril. Feel it as it goes all the way up to the bridge of your nose. Close off the left side as you exhale warm air out the right. Inhale through the right. Close off the right, exhale through the left. Release your arm back down to your knee. Take one breath in and out through both nostrils. Bend your left elbow. Let's close off the left nostril. Breathing in all that sun energy into the right-hand side. Closing off the right, exhaling out the left. Inhale through the left. Closing off the left as you exhale out the right. One more round. Inhale through the right. Close the right as you exhale through the left. Inhale through the left. Close the left and exhale out the right. Release control of the breath as you bring your hands back to Jnana Mudra at your heart center. Take a breath in and out through your nostrils. One more time, inhale through your nostrils. This time, open your mouth and let's bring our thumbs to forehead center and bow and say namaste. Shanti, Shanti, peace. I wish peace and happiness to all of you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this practice. It's such a privilege to be able to teach and get my practice out.